it's Kezia over here from Kezzie's Corner and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kezia and this is my corner. If you love what you see, I hope you enjoy my lovely family. And for those of you who are returning, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about the Bratz makeup from Revolution, because as you know, they did a collection, they produced a new collection which is all related to Bratz. And I'm going to be splitting them up because I did quite a bit of stuff, as you will see in the following segment of the video. And today we're going to actually start with the eyeshadow palette from Chloe, which is this one right here. But then I will do other videos where I will show the other palettes from the collection, as I got all the eyeshadow palettes. So I kind of want to share something with you. So I found a photo. I had another one, definitely had another one with other dolls, but I couldn't find it. But I found this photo where I'm holding the Sasha Bratz doll. I remember that was the last Bratz doll that I needed for my collection, and I had gotten it for my birthday. I think I was around, I don't know how old I was here. Probably around 12. I was always really young for my age, but look at my face. Oh my god, look at my face. I'm just looking at the photo while it's obviously on the screen. But yeah, I just wanted to share that photo with you guys. And I kind of also dug up my Bratz dolls because you wouldn't believe me if I don't show you, so I need to show you. And I have all the Bratz dolls over here saying, oh, Chloe, put down your hand, girl. Like, why? See, I have all the Bratz dolls over here. I've been actually keeping them because I wanted to keep them. I told my mom, don't you dare, don't you dare get rid of them, because I kind of want to keep them and give them one day to my daughter, because I don't know, or son, whoever wishes to play with the Bratz, because I think it would be really cool. And I don't think they sell them anymore. If I'm not mistaken, they don't. So I was really happy that I kept them all. They like all have their box, and yeah, I kind of wanted to share that with you so you understand how like meaningful this collection was for me. And I can only imagine sort of my younger self would have been so excited for such a collection, and she would have been so proud of me that, you know, at 27 I still bought all the collection. I'm here showing you my dolls. I'm here showing you a photo of how I was with Sasha, holding her gently and being so happy that I finally collected all the Bratz. And yeah, it's just so nice. So I'm really happy that Revolution have released such a collection, because it really was close to my heart. And so here I am doing a series on my channel about all the Bratz eyeshadow palettes. So today, as I said, we're going to be focusing on Chloe. So if you want to see how the palette tested out, how I achieved this look and what I thought of the palette, then keep on watching. And I also tried some other stuff like the mascara, the liner, and some lipsticks as well. So yeah, you see I got the Bratz lips. Anyway, so I hope you enjoy it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. Here we go, and let's get started on today's video. Bye! Let's begin. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. I have my Bratz dolls here with me, as you know. So, I got 2 lip products. I got the mascara, quite a bit of stuff basically. But I'm only going to use one of the palettes, and I think I'm going to actually use Chloe's first, because I used to love Chloe and I think she was my favorite doll. I think I need to go for it, but I will show you also the other palettes. So we have over here, we have Jade. Oh my god, this looks really stunning. So the boxes actually come just like the dolls used to come. So this is Jade's, and this is her palette. It's a very like funky palette and very Jade as well. And then we have Yasmin. So this is Yasmin. I actually have all the dolls. Okay, so this is Yasmin's, and Yasmin's looks like this. It's a really pretty palette. It was very girly as well, I remember. So this was Yasmin's palette. I don't know where I'm going to like display them in my room. I kind of want to display them somewhere. Oh, I love Sasha's palette. I think it actually drew me in the most out of them all. So this is Sasha's palette. I kept the sticker on it. It's like sheer thing. The colors of it is very, very pretty. I think this was the one that I was mostly excited for with regards to the color scheme. Then we have Chloe's, which I will show you soon, but I just want to show you as well, they had the big one as well of Bratz. So people have been saying like this is quite like childish as well, but I kind of like it, and like the packaging of it is stunning. It's a tin material, and this is it. There's obviously the 4 girls over here, which brings back so many memories. And then this is the palette. Yes, there's a lot of color going on, but it looks like a really stunning palette. And I will definitely be doing a video on all of them because I just love them all. But I kind of want to do a separate video for each. So please, for those of you who are Bratz fans, hope you'll enjoy it. And for those of you who aren't, I'm so sorry. This is the one that I kind of want to play with. So this is Chloe's. And basically Chloe's looks like this. Chloe and Chloe's looks like this. She's very sporty. I remember like the doll had actually come with a surfboard as well. I have her doll. She's here, you see, this is Chloe. This was Chloe. And well, she has like some peach and some blue going on her. So I thought obviously of like creating something like that. But yeah, she's in her surfer gear right now. So I think she looks pretty. And who remembers the brushes? Like, these were the brushes that every Bratz doll came with. So let's do something like Chloe. I'm going to sit her here so she reminds me. I've also got it, if I'm not mistaken, Chloe's lipstick. So we can definitely use that later on. I think I'm going to start by doing my eyeshadow. Like, I don't like the eyebrows that they have. You know, they're quite skinny, you know. But that was how it was, you know, back then. I'm still going to do them a little bit fluffy. I used to love playing with them. I used to create so many stories. Like, I was very imaginative when I was a child. Still am. I used to create so many different stories. It was crazy. Oh, actually, we can use the mirror of the palette. So eyebrows are done. Oh my god, my hair. Such a mess. I'm just going to put it in a ponytail until because it's really fluffy. I'm going to take my Revolution brow gel. This is a clear brow gel to basically just set everything in place. So now I'm just going to basically set my lids, prime my lids a little bit. Using the Revolution, the Prime and Lock primer. I absolutely love using this one. That's done, and now we're going to play with the palette. So, which shade am I gonna go for? I'm going to go in with Express It, which is this shade right here. It looks like a very coral nude shade, which will be a perfect sort of first shade to go in with. Oh, they're not very powdery either, which I like. I like the mirror that comes with it as well. So I'm just going to start by applying that all over my crease. The shade sort of is not immediately pigmented, which sometimes I like, because I like the fact that then you will be able to build it up to how much you want it, and that it's not so pigmented like from the very beginning. So that it shows that they're a bit more workable, but I kind of like the shade so far. Okay, I kind of really like this first shade. It looks really pretty. Well, I kind of want to go in with the blue because she's a blue kind of queen, so I need to do that. But we'll use Angel, but for now let's just use this one first. Class President, which is that one right there. It looks like a really deep midnight blue. I haven't used a blue like this since I used the Cinderella palette from Revolution. So I'm going to place it over here. Let's start by doing it slowly. Not a lot going on, but at the same time, I guess I don't want it as dark. But let's just see what we'll get from this. I'm using a blending brush, by the way, as well. I mean, I could use a much dense brush, but we'll use this first and we'll see. Okay, so there's the color. Color is very much there. Just gonna build it up again. Okay, so I'm going to use another brush to basically blend the shades. And I'm going to take a bit of Express It to be able to blend them a little more. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put Crush in sort of the base. And we're going to use this first. And then we'll go in with Angel, which is the shade I want to use. So I'm going to actually take the Crush shade on a flat brush. I just want to, you know, basically copy a little bit what I have on my doll, but we'll see what will happen. So, something like that. sort of in between, we're going to use another color, so I'm not kind of worried about that too much. So I'm going to take Expressed again to just sort of blend the crush shade in the crease, sort of, to just blend it all nicely together. Obviously bring the crease out a little bit, something like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Angel, which is this beautiful shade right there, and I'm going to try and put it in the middle. It's not the same as the doll, but it's inspired from it, so that counts, right? This shade is just stunning. Like, it is so pigmented, guys. You have like, whoa, that is so pigmented. And her color was always blue, so I'm going to take Crush first and I'm going to blend them shades together. See what a difference that makes? It kind of makes it less harsh. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Class President and I'm going to blend that in with the glitter. Different kind of look than I normally would do, but I mean, it's not exactly the same, but the colors are definitely inspired from Chloe. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm going to go do my face makeup and I will be right back. Okay, so I've done my face makeup. I basically didn't do bronzer yet and stuff like that. I look like a ghost, so I think we should take care of that first. So I kind of want to use the BH Cosmetics Belgian Waffles. I haven't used it in a while, so I'm going to take 1, 2 as my bronzers. That will be the first step. So Butter and Cinnamon. Kind of like using both of them. I mean, Chloe's quite tanned. Kezia quite the opposite. So I need to get a bit tanned. I didn't do any contour. Totally forgot. And now I'm just going to apply some blush. The blush I'm going to use is this one. I'm going to use the Blushed Reloaded, the Rhubarb Custard blush, which is from Revolution. Absolutely love this blush. The shade of it is so cute and so pretty, and I think so Chloe as well. And it matches my nails. You just have to add some highlight as well. And I think I'm going to use Syrup as my highlight, which is this one right here in the Belgian Waffle palette. So pretty. Definitely some highlight on my nose. Okay, so I'm going to put, I think I'm going to put the Express It shade, which was this one right here underneath on my lower lash line. Okay, and as my inner corner highlight, I think there's no other inner corner highlight that I want to use. Okay, no, let's use this one. We're going to use Feathers because, yeah, I just want to see her. No, she doesn't have any corner highlight, but it's fine. We'll just do a small little bit. I'm sure Chloe won't mind. I mean, it's there, staring at me in the eyes. There you go. Okay, and oh, we need to definitely put some brow bone highlight. So now I think we need to apply some liner, and I'm going to use the BRATZ liner that came from Revolution. I've heard quite a bit of reviews about this though, so I'm not really that excited about trying out because I've heard people like saying that it's not that good. So I don't know, but I love the packaging of it. It comes like this. Even the mascara that I will show you will come like this, and this is the pen of it. It's not very pigmented, so I don't know why that happened, because usually Revolution really do good eyeliners, and you know, Bratz are known for like that, their liner look. So I don't know, I don't even know if I want to do it on mine. Let's see. I think that's what I'm doing. I mean, it came good. I was able to work with it, but I'm dreading to do it on the other eye, to be honest. So, okay, that came better than I expected. Okay, let me do it on the other eye. I'm not really sure about this, guys. I mean, I could do like a... Okay, let's try an eyeliner. I'm just going to use this, and we're just going to... Okay, so I think I'm going to leave it like this. I mean, I kind of wanted to do their tie because it's like a very well-known thing that the Bratz do, but I don't know. I don't know if it's working for me. I don't know. Yeah, let's just leave it. Let's just leave it. It's interesting. It's a new thing. It's a new thing, I think. So my eyes look bigger, right? Okay, so now let's just try the mascara because I'm really interested in the mascara. So I love how everything came packaged, guys. The packaging of this is beautiful. The collection is absolutely stunning. I'm not going to do any lashes because Chloe's quite natural, so I'm just going to curl my lashes. I don't think they had lashes in the range of Bratz. I'm not sure. There's nothing special, I think, about this mascara. I think it's quite an ordinary mascara. It was like the collection was quite expensive in my eyes. I wish it was a little bit cheaper, but yeah, I wish I wouldn't have bought the mascara and the liner, I think. Although the liner kind of surprised me because I thought it wasn't going to work well because it's not as pigmented even when I swatch it. However, yeah, I don't mind it. Okay, so now the exciting thing is the lips. I'm going to actually try and overblow my lips. We'll see. So I got the Sasha shade, which is slightly darker than the Chloe shade. So you get this one is the Maxi Plump lip gloss, and then I also got the lip crayons. I'm going to use the lip crayon. Okay, I'm gonna overdraw my lips simply because it's Bratz. So not used to this, but it's for Bratz, so we're doing it for Bratz, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to try the plumping lip gloss of Chloe. So I'm really excited about this because I think Chloe and Sasha's were the ones I kind of gravitated towards. The others I wasn't really interested. So we have it like this. It comes like this. I don't usually love plumping lip glosses, but dear Lord. This is so not me. This is so not me at all, guys. Oh my goodness. That's fine, because this is for the video. So I am going to be like overdrawing my lips, but this is so not, so not me. But do I look like Chloe? Like, do we look like each other now? You're a bit more tan though. Like, I need to get a tan like that. Like, why don't I have that tan? But I think over here, no. Never mind. Okay, so this is the finished look, guys. I'm just going to apply some setting spray to set everything up. I can't get over the fact of how big my lips are. I don't usually do this, but again, for the sake of this video, I thought I would. So yeah, and I guess it would have been my 13-year-old dream to do this. This is the finished look. I focused more on Chloe's palette today. I hope you enjoyed that. I really love this palette. I think the shadows really worked beautifully. I mean, this shade, which was called Angel, most beautiful blue glitter that I have ever tried on my lids, honestly. And I like the other shades as well that I tried out. And yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to doing more looks with the other palettes. And so yeah, I'll do like a Bratz series, and I'm looking forward to this Bratz series. Though I have to admit that I won't be like copying the Bratz dolls every single time because I feel like they have quite a similar makeup look, because I'm noticing that most of them actually have this kind of color story, so I don't want to really just copy the Bratz dolls. But yeah, the lips with my braces, they look ridiculous. I guess like that is fun, right? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then please subscribe. Obviously subscribe if you want to see the other series to my Bratz series. So yeah, me and my dolls, we say bye. You're going to see Chloe never again, basically, because now the other girls need their shine. So yeah, so bye. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Bye.